Hey everybody, it's Stephanie. I just finished my mingle and there's just something that I wanted to go over with everybody. And it's a really important step that a lot of people are skipping before using command to send out emails to your database or sending out listings. And what that is setting up your marketing profile. And what we're going to do is you're going to go to command and you're going to go up to your picture in the corner and you're going to go down to settings. And in the settings, it gives you a couple of different tabs. And I believe it is in connect settings. Yes, it is. And it's right here, marketing profile. And you may be asking, what is the marketing profile and why is it important that I take the time to set it up? Well, the marketing profile is going to help you when you're making your content. It's going to go ahead and pull your public information, your picture, your information, your social media posts, email. It's going to pull it automatically for you when you create the content. For example, today we had an agent who was setting up, sending a new listing out from designs, and it was not pulling all of his information. And that's usually because you didn't go in here and set it up. So it's really important that you take and it really doesn't take much time. It takes about 5 minutes. And then I wanted to also share in my videos, in the corner, you can see kind of a red tab. And that red tab is going to, if you click that red tab, it's going to take you to the link through Keller Williams, which will go step by step of how you do this. But let's do that together right now. So right now, as I mentioned, I went into my settings under my picture, the little arrow here. I clicked on settings, which took us to the general settings. So we're going to go to connect settings here, and we're going to click marketing profile. So then if you scroll through the marketing profile, you can see right here, the marketing profile, if you click on this green button, it's going to use your information to brand your Keller Williams command free website. So that's really important. And so right here, you can see I have my photograph. Remember, when you're uploading files, they do have a certain size that they're recommending. So I would look at that. If you upload a picture and it looks a little distorted or grainy, just go back and look at the size. Maybe the size might be too large. So anyway, here's my picture. Then it will let you do a team logo if you happen to have one. Even if it's not a team logo, if you have a personal logo, that's where you would put that right here. Again, minding what size it is. Then it's going to ask you for your details. Your anything with the asterisk is going to be required. But, fill out, I would recommend that you fill out as much as you can. So I have my name, my license number. If I had a team, I could put the name of my team, whatever you want to display as your professional job title. If you have a personal slogan, you can put that here. Any kind of designations or credentials that you have here. I have one that I need to add here. If you use this drop down, you can put if you have any military affiliations. And then here it'll let you do a biography. I believe the agent I saw earlier, he didn't put in his own biography, so I think it has a boilerplate biography that comes up automatically. But you can see here, this is a biography that I wrote. You can put in your mobile phone if you want to use the office phone for the office, or if you have another phone number you're using for your office, fax, email address, and then the website that you want it to link to if they click that. Then here we have a market center brokerage logo. If you are not sure where your market center logo is, you can find that in Onward with KW. Then here on the side, we've entered in our brokerage name, the phone number, the address, and then down here, you would put the brokerage license number. If you don't have that, let me know. I can send it to you. But the easiest way to find this is if you go on one of your listings, it's going to have the market center brokerage license number as well. Then it's going to have some things that are for compliance, which is the legal footer text that we need to have. And then if there's any other links that you want to have, I don't enter any of those myself, but Then you can come down here and put your social media links, your Facebook, your Instagram, your Twitter, your LinkedIn. And if you have a YouTube, my YouTube right now, I don't really have one, so I linked it to Keller Williams. And then if you use Google Analytics ID, you can also put this down at the bottom. And then now that we're finished, we want to make sure that you hit save. So we saved our work. And as I mentioned before, if you want to have more detailed information, please click on that bar at the top, which I think is in kind of a reddish color, and that will hyperlink you to the Keller Williams frequently asked questions page. And it goes step by step how to go through and set up your marketing profile. And we're all set, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.